Let me see. Okay. Come on. Okay. So we've got calcium, right? And calcium, I'm not going to draw the cell.
Okay.
So calcium enters the cell and it binds to a protein called calmodulin. Okay. Now that together results in the complex between calmodulin and calcium. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense. All right. I'm just trying to. Okay. Now we have our calcium calmodulin complex, CCC. Just easier, I call it CCC from the previous one, okay?
Yeah.
So that calcium calmodulin complex works as the activator for the enzyme called MLCK, which stands for myosin light chain.
Mm-hmm.
So far, we good?
Yeah.
So MLCK gets activated. That's asterisk. The asterisk shows that it's activated.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I remember.
So, and then MLCK, it's so. Hold on a second.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get an eraser, which I have no idea where it is. Okay, never mind. So MLCK is an enzyme.
Undo, but eraser it's undo. Oh no, that maybe undo with one step, I think.
Yeah, never mind. It's okay. It's not a huge issue. So next, MLCK is the enzyme, and what MLCK does? Myosin light chain kinase. The term kinase refers to the enzyme that can slap phosphate group, phosphate residue on something. In this case, it can slap phosphate group on myosin light chain. So we have myosin,
Mm-hmm.
ATP comes in, it's broken down into ADP and phosphate. ADP leaves, and what you are left with, you're left with myosin, which has a phosphate group hanging over it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let me do something else. I'm gonna write it down again. So as we mentioned before, you have myosin, and here you have activated MLCK. You have ATP in, ADP out,
Mm-hmm.
and what you get in the end is myosin with the phosphate residue to it.
Oh wow.
This molecule can now can now bind to the actin, and can start contraction.
Oh, okay.
That
So
makes sense?
now acting, yeah.
Now myosin can form cross bridge and do the contraction. Without it, it can't. So basically,
Oh, okay.
again, unlike in the skeletal or cardiac muscle, you don't have, like here, you don't have troponin, you don't have tropomyosin, you have
Yeah,
light chain kinase.
yeah,
Make sense?
yeah, yeah, definitely.
Good.
Yeah, because I was wondering when that axing coming in.
That's at this point right here, contraction can start.
Oh, so in the end. Okay.
Yes, myosin is now capable of doing the contraction.
But we have to clear up first and then we can.
We have to get
Okay.
calcium first. Calcium has to bind to calmodulin. Complex of calcium and calmodulin has to activate MLCK. MLCK has to phosphorylate, add phosphate to myosin, and only after that contraction can ensue. Make sense?
Yeah, no, yeah, it's good. No.
Okay.
Yes. Now I got it.
Good.
Because I was wondering, yeah,